Hello guys. I am preparing my breakfast for today. This is not a breakfast anymore. Lunch na siya. My breakfast is pag breakfast nag-juice lang ako. Nag-juice lang ako sa apple, lemon, cucumber, oranges, ginger, and carrots. So now I am preparing for my lunch. This is my lunch already. First is this one. Take a look. Chia. This is a chia seed with fresh milk and coffee, black coffee. Another one is the oatmeal, and wait, I'll get some. The flaxseed, yogurt, hindi ni siya sang ga-endorse ako sini. Pero I just hope nakuhaon ko nila endorsers sini. Hindi, joke lang. Organic spirulina, honey. I bought this honey from Thailand, raw honey, the best. And the cinnamon. Mix it together to have your oatmeal, a very delicious one. Bye! No, I forgot. You can add some protein if you have protein powder. This is the one I'm using from Healthy Option. At saka, if you have banana, put some banana, at least 3 slices of banana. No, 1 whole banana na lang, saba. Mas namit siya. Yes, kag mas healthy. Bye! Happy eating!